Hello everyone. In our lesson number 6, combustion and flame, we have studied in the last video how to control fire, and we have also studied types of combustion. Now today we are going to study about flame. So you can see in the textbook 6.4 flame is given there. Now for this we'll start from the textbook, then I will show you some slides to understand more. You can observe the figures given in the book also, they are shown very nicely. You can understand by watching also. Okay, read it, watch it properly. So we'll start with the flame. Observe an LPG flame. Can you tell the color of the flame? What is the color of a candle flame? Now see in this picture, you can see different colors of flame. The color of flame, it actually depends on the oxygen supply. Okay, now candle flame is different in color, gas flame is different in color, and lamp flame is different in color. To understand, we'll study this. Recall your experience of burning a magnesium ribbon in class 7th. If you do not have experience of burning the remaining items in table 6.2, you can do that now. Now this you can do, but we need a laboratory here for doing this. But whatever is possible with you, you can do this. Materials forming flame on burning. So candle we can write there, magnesium we have done in last year, so you can write about that. Camphor also easy to write. Kerosene stove, we know about this kerosene stove. Charcoal also we have sometimes. So this activity answers I will send you for this. Now we'll see next structure of a flame. We'll see first the structure of a flame. Now see what activity is given there. Now structure of a flame is of see, you can see in the slide there are 3 layers: outer zone, middle zone and inner zone. Okay, these are the 3 layers shown there. In the textbook you can see they have shown on page number 72. Here you can see they have shown flame of candle. Hottest part is shown there, moderately hot is shown, least hot is shown. So outer zone is more hot, middle zone is moderately hot, and inner zone is least hot. Means as the layers are shown, the hottestness is also decreased. Outermost part is most hottest here. Now this we are going to see by 2 activities. Okay, activity 6.5. First we'll see that what is given in 6.5. Light a candle. Hold a 4 to 5 centimeter long thin glass tube as shown in the first picture. You can see with a pair of tongs म्हणजे चिमटा, and introduce its one end in the dark zone of a non-flickering candle. Non-flickering म्हणजे हवा नसली पाहिजे, मेणबत्तीची जी ज्योत आहे ती हलली नाही पाहिजे. It should be straight. Bring a lighted matchstick near the other end of the glass tube. Do you see a flame caught at this end of glass tube after a while? If so, what is that produces a flame? Notice that the wax near the heated wick melts quickly. Okay. Now you know how it happens. When we burn the candle, wax melts and the flame burns. The substance which vaporizes during burning gives flame. For example, kerosene oil and molten wax rise through the wick and are vaporized during burning and form flames. Okay, for candle we can say the wax burn and gives flame. Charcoal on the other hand does not vaporize and so does not produce a flame. In activity 6.5, could the vapors of wax coming out of the glass tube be the cause of the flame produced? Now you can see the unburned carbon particles are present in the luminous zone of the flame. When the candle flame is steady, introduce a clean glass plate, slide into the luminous zone of the flame. Hold it there with a pair of tongs for about 10 seconds. Then remove it. What do you observe? A circular blackish ring is formed on the glass plate. Slide. You can see the blackish ring. In the picture you can see it blue color. It indicates the deposition of unburned carbon particles present in the luminous zone of the flame. Hold a thin long copper wire now. See the next picture. Just inside the non-luminous zone of flame. Means मध्ये थोडंसं मध्ये धरायचं. Okay. For about 30 seconds. Notice that the portion of the copper wire just outside the flame gets red hot. Does it indicate that the non-luminous zone of the flame has a high temperature? In fact, this part of the flame is the hottest part. So वरचा layer आहे तिथे पकडायचं, so it becomes red, so it indicates it is the hottest part. Goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver. Why do they use outermost zone of the flame? So for this answer is because it is the hottest part. So they use outermost layer. Okay, say we have studied about flame. Okay, you have to remember what are structure of a candle flame: outer zone, middle zone, inner zone. These are the different zones. And which is the hottest one? By we have proved by these two activities: combustion of a candle, in that we have done with glass and wire, to prove that which part of the flame is the hottest one. Now in the textbook you can see only one part is remain, that is about fuel. So this will do in the next videos, because before your understanding it will be better to take in a small portion. So fuel efficiency will do in the next period. Till then you go through the whatever we have finished through that lesson and try to understand. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.